everyone, welcome back to Works Garage. As you may have seen in the last video, I installed the IAG Performance coilovers, and in this video I will be going to get an alignment. Let's get this started. I made it here to Les Schwab. This is where I chose because they have an alignment bay that is flat and they can drive straight in on, and they go down in a pit. So we're trying to get -3 in the front. We'll have to see what the rear is. Ready to go. Hopefully looking to get -3 in the front, and I guess the rear is what it is. There's no adjustment at this time. I guess the rear just naturally had 2.7-ish in the rear for camber. There's no adjustment. The front he's trying to max out, but he's saying that's only to 2.8-ish. I kind of thought it had more rear camber than it did in the front. When I was at home, I could just look at it and tell. They're doing a real good job here. I know it's not a performance shop, but again, like I told you, I'll be getting new tires and wheels shortly, or within a year. So I don't want to pay expensive and get an expensive alignment and then not be able to use that alignment because I had to raise or lower the car again.
Not bad, right?
That's all right. Yeah. I just got it in January.
Yeah, it's awesome, man.
They only made 860 of this special edition.
The color? Is it the color?
It's the color, the wheels, the seats.
Oh yeah, I do see the badge. Is that what that badge is on the left side?
Yeah.
That's awesome, man.
Thanks. I never get to see nobody else drive it. It's pretty neat. I'll put a copy of this in the video. I'll insert it here. They weren't able to get to the full-on -3 I wanted in the front. They got it on the right side to 1.8 degrees camber and 2.8 on the left side. And on the rear, I guess natural settling that it did. I thought it would only be about 1.5 degrees, is what I had heard on the internet. But it is 2.7 on the left, 2.4 on the rear. So we're gonna go now and see if it feels like it handles any different. The adjustments were a little bit off. I know a little curvy road right here by the tire center. does handle better with the alignment. Really does hold the road really nice, even here on the side streets. But again, it didn't have that issue even after lowering with the alignment being off. Still held the road good. Very nice, very smooth. I do recommend these AIG Performance coilovers. They've really spec'd them out right. Smooth and nice on the highway. I suppose you could get it harsher if you like it harsher. The dampening by turning it up. Right now I have 12 in the front. The fronts go to 24 clicks all the way full. The rear go to 25. So I have 13 in the rear, 12 in the front. Really nice, really smooth. Still planted, still handles great, but rides OEM. Rides like it's OEM. You wouldn't know these was on here if you didn't pop the hood and look. Or didn't know by the height of the car. I do recommend these. Again, they are fairly expensive. So if it's not in your budget, that's understandable. The install, you do have to know what you're doing when you're working on suspensions. It does take a little bit of knowledge. So if you have the general wrenching knowledge, you can watch my video for the lowering springs or my video for installing these. You'll kind of know what to do if you can follow instructions and have general wrenching knowledge. I would say to hold off, don't go the lowering spring way like I did at first. That was just an example to see what they was like, because they were inexpensive. I felt I'll just do this to tell my viewers and subscribers what it's like, if it's worth it or not. To me, again, like I said in that video, the review video on lowering springs, not worth it. But these, they're about 6 times more. If those were 300-ish, just put together 6 times 6, about 2,000-ish for some good coilovers. Maybe you can get away with some BCs for 1,300. Those might be more budget friendly. They're still 4 times more. So it's up to what you can do, but I would say save and get some kind of coilover of some sort over lowering springs. So value for the money. This is my new scale again that I did a few videos back. I'm going to try to get back to it. Value for the money. These AIG Performance coilovers are worth it. I would say go for it. Or any coilover that's in your budget. I mean, these I know. I haven't tried any other brands. I would say go for these. Just get them when they're on sale. If you wait for holiday sales, that's the tip here. Wait for holiday sales. You could save a couple $100 on these. That's how I was able to afford these. I got them on a holiday sale, and it just worked out for me. But as far as the scales go for budget friendly, I would say they're 3 to 4, because they are more expensive. They are a more expensive mod. They're not going to be one of those cheap mods that you really get something back amazing for. They're going to be an expensive mod that you get something back amazing for. 5 being the most value for the money. And as far as performance wise, I would say these, they feel like they're 4.5. All in all, I do recommend these AIG coilovers. Once you get the alignment, you can just feel how much better the car is. I mean, it felt great before the alignment, but getting the alignment, getting the proper spec that you want. And again, I'm going to need to dial this in more by adding more components. That's part of the game, I guess, of trying to get to the handling you want. Because my front and rear are pretty much damn near almost the same. I'm going to wrap it up here, guys. It really helps a channel like this to grow if you like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy this kind of content and want to see more from me in the future. And remember, treat others how you would want to be treated.